Welcome to VCC and the Automotive Service Technician programs. Located at the Transportation Trade Training Facility at the Broadway campus, VCC's Automotive Service Shop is one of the largest working garages in BC. The shop features 32 hoists and the latest diagnostic equipment and training aids. There are a number of additional training rooms and modern classrooms for learning theory and fundamentals. Get a full introduction to automotive service by learning to examine, test, and repair vehicles in the 8-month Harmonized Foundation Certificate Program. Or work in the industry while training as an apprentice towards a BC Trade Certificate at VCC. Students work in small teams that simulate the workplace, servicing 60 to 80 customer vehicles each month. Thanks to nearly 7 years working with the local automotive industry, VCC attracts the region's top instructors. VCC employs 22 instructors and staff in the auto technician programs. All full-time instructors have Red Seal certification and a minimum 10 years of industry experience. Start your career servicing and repairing today's cars and trucks right here at VCC. Learn more by signing up for a virtual info session or book an appointment with a VCC advisor.